Hello, welcome back. I'm on to my second car I'm doing, restoring, whatever you like to call it. While the Volkswagen paint's drying, I'm starting on this one. It's a Rover SDI, or SD1 I should say, V8 3.5 litre. I've got a few of these, I've got about 5 of them. And this one I plan on putting back to a road car rather than a race car. Again, it's a race car with a tow bar. There you go. Yeah, so I'm going to put it back to a road car. I'm not quite sure what colour or what I'm going to do with it yet, but I thought I'd start it while the beetle is drying. Right, so that's a close look at it. It's not in bad nick, this one. I think the roof might be squashed down a little bit. I think the glass is okay. 4 rivets. I've just started having a little play with the front ones just to have a look, because I haven't done them before, because the Volkswagen was different. Has got the glass in the back, tailgate, tow bar. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is. So, it's got on the bottom, Corgi, made in Great Britain, Rover 3.5 litre. Yeah, that's just gone for a flyer. As I was saying, I've got other ones. This one hasn't got the back window in it, and it's got a bit of floor broken, so I've got other plans for that one. That's a road going one. Very similar to the colour I went in one of these, but it was a van and pla. It was very nice. Bloody quick too. Yeah, but this is one we're going to be doing. So I'm going to drill these posts out and we'll have a look. Well, I've drilled them out. I've literally just sort of unpopped it. It's a bit sort of scary. I didn't realise how far I'd got to go down to get them off that plastic. Oh, bloody tight as well. I didn't want to break it. So I haven't took it off. Have a look. You can see what I can see for the first time. Oops, just dropped the drill bit. Can't actually see it through the camera. Yeah, we'll look at that in a second. Yes. There you go. Right. Right, so the actual interior itself doesn't look too bad. I don't know, I think I might paint it, have a go at painting the interior. I haven't done that before, so I think I'll have a go at that. The glass itself got a few little marks, but nothing major, so hopefully we'll be alright with that. So it should be good. The shell itself, like I say, ain't too bad. Let's get that glass out the back. Do it one hand. I haven't put my tripod in yet, that's what I've got to do. I'll do that tomorrow. I can't get it out with one hand. But I did put one out the other over, so I know they just pop out. Yeah, the actual shell don't look too bad. It's got a few rough bits. The base is, where is it? It's got quite a rough front bumper. So the front, yeah, and so I want to sort that out. The wheels look like, so they just unclip. So not too bad. I'll get the back window out, get it in the cost. I think I'm going to leave this tailgate on anyway, because I don't think that's worth the hassle of trying to get that out. No, I don't think I'll bother. These posts at the back are really short, so I don't know what I'm going to do at the back. I might have a go at tapping these front ones. Yeah, we'll see. So after filing these posts down, there really is nothing on the back. And I could file the front down a bit more and drill it. But at the moment that body, the floor pan fits straight, straight on it, and it clips in lovely. So I might end up gluing this one, I think, again. Well, anyway, we'll get there. We will end up tapping and drilling and whatever else, won't we? But yeah, I mean, I think it's just for easy, it'd be easier just to glue it on. We'll see. You can always tap it again later and drill it out later if I have to. Yeah, so I'm going downstairs to put it in the caustic. She's got the telly on down there, so yeah, I'll do that and I'll nip back up. Alright, just put it out the caustic. It looks rusty on there, doesn't it? I've just cut out the caustic. You can see I've just run the brush over the bonnet just to show you it's coming up. Can't do it. I've lost. I need to get my tripod in here. But don't look too bad cast wise. I might have to look at that front end. The only thing I would say is the wings look, top of the wings look quite sharp. So I might take that down. I dipped it twice and there's a couple of little bits of paint on the back. Nothing much will swipe my stomach going. It must be getting near tea time. Yeah, so I've just got to clean it up a bit now. Like I said, a couple of bits, and you can see it there, a couple of bits of white. Nothing too bad. I had to dip it twice. It really didn't want to come off. So I did 2 lots of boiling water. But, yeah, I reckon it took 25 minutes to get the paint off. Right, as you can see, I've finished polishing it up, and just cleaned it down with some methylated spirits. And I'm going to give it a coat of grey primer. What you can hear now is if you can hear it, is that the dryer, because I was going to clear coat the beetle, but I messed up the roof. So I've given it another respray. Yeah, so I'm just going to give it some primer just so that I can see what's what, you know. Yeah, so I can't film it until I get my tripod in here. So hopefully on the next bit of video I'll have my tripod. So I've just given it 2 coats of British Racing Green. I know, always changed. British Racing Green's in so many different greens, isn't it? Changed over the years. Yeah, so British Racing Green. It is sort of dry enough for the tailgate to shut without sticking, hopefully. But yeah, I'm going to chuck it back in the dryer. I'll give it a coat of lacquer next. Well, to see how this look comes up, to be honest with you. On the camera it does look like it's a bit patchy on the roof there, but I'll have a look tomorrow. Right, so hit the camera. I'll give it a clear coat, and then I realised, well, a bit later, I tried to make sure the tailgate was unstuck. I did it a couple of times, for oh yeah, and then I put it up and I got a chip on the roof there, I don't know if we can see it, and one there. I tried bodging that in, not very successful, and like, so I didn't realise a chip on there. I don't think you can actually see it, to be honest with you. I don't know if you can or not, but there's a little chip there. I didn't even realise I'd done that until tonight. And yeah, apart from that, I'm quite happy with the paint. There is a few marks there, but I think that's where I was doing the lights, and I was pushing hard on top. For some reason, I had the real shakes, you know. I ain't happy with the lights. Now we can see them. But not absolutely happy with the lights, but you know, they're all right. You know, they're do for now. For the second one, I'm quite happy. I did obviously think about stripping it and repainting it as soon as I chipped it, because I thought, oh no. But then, what would be the point of that? You know, this is my second one, and anybody else is doing one, and that, you know, it happens, doesn't it? So I'll keep it as a bit of a battle scar, really. But compared to the normal wheel, you know, I was just thinking the lights are near enough. Might be a bit close, I can't really see because I'm not using my tripod, I'm using something else. Yeah, I mean, it's near enough, isn't it? So I put a back window in it. Not happy with the back window, but I did think about using this one, and they're the same. and they have been cleaned up and put in the pledge and all that. Hopefully I've got you somewhere where you can see. So I can't see the screen how I've got it set up at the moment. It's a bit of a pain in the neck. So I'm not 100% happy with it, but I think for my second attempt, it's alright, you know. Yeah, I think it's okay. I put the Volkswagen on the is it Diecast and Scale Model community Facebook page the other day. Can't believe the response. So I want to thank everyone who commented. Fantastic response I got on it. I just put it on there for the. I just thought I'd put it on, you know. Yeah, so I'm well happy with that. Yeah, but yeah, it's great. So I wasn't expecting that. I just realised I've got 2 trays because I'm doing 2 cars at the moment. I'm doing the 3rd car already, and I've just picked the wrong thing up with the trimming. I did put this these seats and that in the pledge as well, because I've seen other people do it. I don't know if it works or not. Didn't seem to do a lot, to be honest with it, because it's come up quite clean anyway. And then it didn't really want, you can see, it didn't really want to, I don't know, dry as such. But it is what it is. Glass would be a good idea, wouldn't it? Oh, bloody hell, I would have missed that out. Yeah. That's to go in. That's gone straight, yes, right. Hope you can see it. Like I say, can't really see the screen, so I'm going to guess one glue it all, put it together properly. 2, I've seen the video back. Yeah. The base, I did just give it a quick spray with a bit of matte black. The bumper, the front bumper that way. I sort of put a little bit of that Tamiya putty stuff in it. There's a few marks in it still, but not too bad. Not too bad. Paint the wheels. I did a rough job of the wheels, I must admit. And the wheels are quite rough. I didn't realise how rough the wheels were. I did think about swapping them over. And I was praying about the other night, and I did the exhaust. But there you go. Let's get that on there. Hopefully, without chipping it all. If I can do it. Trying to keep it. Yeah, it's clipped in. Doesn't seem to want to clip in at the back yet, but must be there. Must be there. Look at that. I'm quite chuffed with that, to be honest with you. Oops, put the camera again. I'm more chuffed with this than I am the Volkswagen. It's a bit better than, like I said, I haven't clipped that in there properly. There you go. Still want to do it, need it a bit more. I'll sort that out in a minute. Yeah. I didn't bother changing the interior because I couldn't make my mind up what colour to go anyway with it. Yeah, yellow and green, that's to do, wasn't it? Also, I need to shut this tailgate. Sort it all out in a minute, because I haven't quite got everything lined up, I don't think, in there. So you can see. But, yeah, well, I'll sort it out and we'll put it on the roundabout and have a little look. So this is what we started off with, Rover Sd1, play worn. Yeah, not too bad, but a bit play worn, and this is what we ended up with. So this is what we ended up with, the Rover in racing green. Kept the original interior colour, painted some lights, what I'm not that happy with, but they're on there. Tailgate's not quite shown properly at the moment, I think it's just the amount of paint, so I can sort that out later. Yeah, it's not come out too bad. I did a few little mistakes, silly little mistakes. I tried the tailgate after I'd clear coated it, just to make sure it didn't stick, and it was okay, and I've done it again for some silly reason, and that's when it chipped. And the one right at the bottom of the tailgate, I didn't realise I'd done that even until I did the lights. I did think about repainting it, but I didn't think there was any point, because I didn't think that's fair on anybody else who's like me starting. I like to show my mistakes myself, so and there's a bit of a mark on the roof, and I think that's where I was holding it so tight when I was doing the lights. It's had about 48 hours, maybe a bit longer than that, from the clear coat. Did put the glass in pledge. I'm still not happy with the back window. It's tinted. They all are. I've had a look through the ones I've got, and they're all sort of the yellowy. But I just want to get it together. I should have painted the Rover badge, but I didn't. But yeah, it looks alright to me. It is what it is. Thanks for watching. If you like this sort of thing, give me a thumbs up. It'd be great. If you want to subscribe, yeah, think about it. Yeah, so till next time. I'll see you again soon, or next week. And remember, it's okay not to be okay.